Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forex Suggest, and today we are going to be having a look at XTB. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. XTB is a globally recognized financial brokerage firm renowned for its commitment to empowering traders with cutting-edge tools, educational resources, and superior customer service. Established in 2004, XTB has grown to become one of the largest stock exchange-listed Forex and CFD brokers in the world. With a strong presence in multiple international markets, the company is regulated by some of the most respected financial authorities. Their platform offers access to a diverse range of trading instruments, and their proprietary trading platform is celebrated for its user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and a wealth of analytical capabilities, catering to both novice and experienced traders. Its mobile application ensures that users can trade on the go without compromising on functionality or efficiency. Additionally, XTB places significant emphasis on education, providing an extensive library of training materials, webinars, and market analysis to help traders enhance their skills and make informed decisions. This dedication to client success, combined with award-winning customer support, available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, underscores the broker's reputation as a trusted partner in the trading world. Whether traders seek to diversify their portfolios, explore new markets, or refine their trading strategies, XTB remains a reliable and innovative choice for achieving financial goals. The broker offers an extensive range of trading instruments designed to meet the needs of diverse traders. Clients can access over 2,100 different instruments, including Forex currency pairs, CFDs, commodities, stocks, exchange-traded funds, and indices. This wide selection enables traders to diversify their portfolios and explore opportunities across global markets. With competitive spreads, fast execution, and advanced trading tools, XTB ensures that traders have the resources they need to seize market opportunities effectively and efficiently. XTB is a globally trusted broker, operating under the regulation of some of the world's most respected financial authorities. These include the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and several others. By adhering to strict regulatory standards, XTB ensures transparency, security, and a reliable trading environment for its clients, reinforcing its reputation as a safe and credible partner in the financial markets. XTB periodically offers various promotions to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These promotions include their cashback rewards bonus and their affiliate program. XTB offers a cashback program that rewards traders based on their monthly trading activity. The specific cashback amount is tailored through an agreement between the trader and their dedicated account manager, ensuring alignment with individual trading experience. At the end of each month, the accumulated cashback is automatically calculated and deposited directly into the trader's account. This cashback can be utilized at the trader's discretion, including funding future trades to potentially earn additional rewards. It is important to note that the availability of this cashback offer is limited to clients from certain jurisdictions, and specific terms and conditions apply. The broker's affiliate program, known as XTB Partnerships, offers individuals and businesses the opportunity to collaborate and earn commissions by promoting XTB's trading services. The program is designed to accommodate various types of partners, including finance portals, trading schools, influencers, and social media pages. XTB provides dedicated partnership managers to assist in building effective marketing strategies, along with access to professional reporting tools that offer detailed insights into clients' trading activities and earned rebates. XTB provides traders with access to two powerful and user-friendly trading platforms, which include their proprietary XStation trading platform as well as the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB's XStation trading platform is an award-winning proprietary solution designed to provide traders with an intuitive and powerful trading experience. Equipped with advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and one-click trading features, XStation caters to both novice and experienced traders. Its user-friendly interface ensures seamless navigation, while additional features like sentiment analysis, trading statistics, and built-in educational resources help traders make informed decisions. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XStation enables traders to stay connected and in control of their portfolios anytime, anywhere. XTB's MetaTrader 4 platform is a globally recognized trading solution, popular for its robust functionality and versatility. Designed to meet the needs of both beginner and advanced traders, MetaTrader 4 offers advanced charting capabilities, customizable indicators, and support for automated trading through expert advisors. The platform allows users to execute trades efficiently, analyze market trends, and develop personalized trading strategies. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XTB's MetaTrader 4 platform provides a reliable and flexible trading experience for clients worldwide. XTB offers one standard live trading account, designed to suit a variety of trading needs and experience levels. This account offers access to a wide range of trading instruments, with competitive spreads and no commission on forex, indices, and commodities trades. Clients can enjoy fast execution speeds and leverage up to 1 to 500, depending on the region. The standard account is compatible with XTB's advanced trading platforms, XStation and MetaTrader 4, ensuring a seamless and efficient trading experience with no minimum deposit requirement. It provides flexibility and accessibility for all types of traders. XTB's Islamic trading account is specifically designed for traders who wish to adhere to Sharia law. This account type operates on a swap-free basis, ensuring that no interest is charged or earned on overnight positions. Traders using the Islamic account still benefit from access to XTB's wide range of instruments, and the account offers competitive trading conditions, fast execution, and compatibility with XTB's advanced platforms. This solution provides a compliant and efficient trading experience for clients observing Islamic principles. Additionally, the broker offers an ISA, or individual savings account, as well as a smart saving account. Their ISA offers a tax-efficient way for UK residents to invest in financial markets. With this account, traders can benefit from tax-free capital gains and income, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maximize their investment returns. XTB's ISA account provides access to a wide range of financial instruments, all within a secure and regulated trading environment. This account type allows investors to grow their savings while enjoying the advantages of tax-free earnings. XTB's Smart Saving Account is designed for investors looking to grow their savings with a low-risk, flexible investment solution. This account offers a simple and effective way to invest in diversified portfolios, tailored to meet individual financial goals. With competitive returns and a user-friendly platform, the Smart Saving Account allows investors to easily manage their savings while benefiting from XTB's expert market insights. It is an ideal choice for those seeking to build wealth over time, with the flexibility to adjust their investment strategy as their needs evolve. Additionally, XTB offers a demo account, which provides traders the opportunity to practice and refine their trading skills without any financial risk. It provides access to the same features and tools available in a live account, allowing users to trade with virtual funds in real market conditions. The demo account is ideal for beginners who want to learn the basics of trading, or for experienced traders looking to test new strategies. With XTB's demo account, users can gain confidence and experience before transitioning to real trading. Creating an account with XTB is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and once on their homepage, simply click on the Create Account button. The next step would be to submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, and password. After your account has been submitted, you will need to verify your account in order to create a live account. The next step, after verifying and completing your account, would be to simply download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with XTB's proprietary XStation trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is XTB's proprietary XStation trading platform. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of XTB's available market instruments directly from this panel. You can easily view all of the available instruments that XTB provides, create your preferred favorites watch list, and much more. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. Additionally, XTB provides a wide variety of different chart types, indicators, and more to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. And at the top of the market watch, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the XStation trading platform, XTB provides a wide variety of educational content that covers topics such as platform functionality, placing your first trade, deposit and withdrawals, and much more, to help you understand the basics and to place your first trade. If you are new to the MetaTrader trading platform, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational resources online, or view their tutorials directly on the MetaTrader website to help you get started. XTB offers a variety of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal methods to ensure smooth transactions for its traders. Users can fund their accounts using options like bank transfers, credit and debit cards, as well as popular e-wallet services such as Skrill and Neteller. Withdrawals are processed quickly, with XTB ensuring that funds are transferred efficiently to the trader's preferred method. The platform aims to provide a hassle-free experience by offering multiple payment options, making it easy for traders to manage their accounts and access their funds. The broker also provides a wide range of educational resources designed to help traders of all experience levels improve their skills. Their educational offerings include video tutorials, webinars, ebooks, and in-depth articles covering various trading strategies, market analysis, and technical analysis. XTB also offers live market updates and expert insights to keep traders informed. With these resources, users can build their knowledge, stay up to date on market trends, and enhance their trading strategies, all with the support of XTB's comprehensive learning tools. Additionally, XTB offers a news and analysis section, which provides traders with real-time market updates, expert insights, and in-depth reports to help them make more informed trading decisions. The platform offers daily news covering economic events, market trends, and key financial developments, alongside technical and fundamental analysis. With expert commentary and actionable market forecasts, XTB's news and analysis ensures traders stay ahead of the curve and are well equipped to navigate dynamic market conditions. This feature is ideal for anyone looking to gain a deeper understanding of the markets and refine their trading strategies. XTB has earned numerous industry awards, recognizing its excellence in trading services, customer support, and innovative features. The platform has been commended for its user-friendly interface, educational resources, and overall trading experience. Some of their most recent awards include the Best CFD Broker, the Best Forex Broker Proprietary Platform, the Best Customer Service, among many other awards. XTB's commitment to providing high-quality tools and services has earned it accolades from reputable financial organizations, solidifying its reputation as a trusted and reliable broker in the global trading community. These awards reflect XTB's dedication to delivering top-tier solutions for traders worldwide. Overall, XTB is a globally recognized brokerage firm that has established itself as a leader in the online trading industry. With over 2 decades of experience, XTB has built a reputation for offering a comprehensive trading environment tailored to meet the needs of both beginner and advanced traders. The company provides access to an extensive range of financial instruments, enabling traders to diversify their portfolios with ease. One of the standout features of XTB is its proprietary trading platform, XStation, which is renowned for its user-friendly interface, advanced tools, and seamless functionality across devices. By combining cutting-edge technology with competitive spreads and fast execution speeds, XTB empowers traders to execute informed decisions in real time. Furthermore, the broker prioritizes client education, offering a wealth of resources such as webinars, video tutorials, and market analysis to enhance trading knowledge and competence. As a regulated broker in multiple jurisdictions, XTB also ensures a high standard of security and transparency, giving clients peace of mind when navigating the financial markets. XTB continues to be a top choice for traders seeking a reliable, innovative, and customer-focused brokerage. Their commitment to excellence, technological innovation, and investor education positions it as a trusted partner in achieving financial goals within the dynamic world of online trading. And that is our overview of XTB. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.